Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you TickPick how to get paid. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, TickPick pays seller up to 14 days after the event has occurred to ensure delivery and event buyer issues. After your first sale, you receive an email from the payment partner prompting you to set up your payment method. You can confirm your estimated payout date in your TickPick account under your sales. Then you can use the supported payment method. Payout methods for US residents can be made by a US bank account, PayPal or check. For Canadian residents, payouts to Canadian banks with options like PayPal and check as available, and Hyper Wallet, that is TickPick's payout partner, supports multiple transfer options such as PayPal, Venmo, and money transfer depending on your location. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.